Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking back in on SPY. Haven't been doing a video the past couple days because honestly there's nothing to say. If you're in blue sky breakout, the answer is there's no resistance, it's psychological levels, and support is the hourly higher low pattern. There it is, a 30-second, 20-second, 4-second video where there's nothing to say. But now we have some consolidation. We have Trump coming out, we got new tariffs with China, 200 billion. That's what the market's reacting to at this point. If you're watching on the 5-minute time frame, it looks like a huge dump, and it looks like, oh no, market's crashing. And then you look at the daily time frame and say, well, that could be a bull flag. So at this point, obviously it's not significant impact at all. It's maybe a short-term catalyst for healthy consolidation that we were certainly due for anyway, and we're going to have to see huge volume in order for that to change. So at this point, anything above 285.43 is a higher low. We have a daily gap to fill at 287.67, and we're just looking for that higher low. It could still be a bull flag, absolutely. The bears have to come through with, 70 million plus volume and a big bear dump day in order to prove anything. Otherwise, we're looking for daily higher lows. And even if we lose the daily higher low pattern, we're looking for healthy weekly consolidation. We've been going straight up for 9 weeks in a row at this point with very little consolidation. So again, unless we see a kind of move like February with a 10% dump in 2 weeks, we're not going to change this uptrend anytime soon. IWM all-time high today. Upper wicket profit taking, responding to the markets. Support is 171.10 and 170.18. Still higher lows here as well. We're watching to see if the bulls can maintain those levels. 173.23, 174 are resistance levels. Weekly time frame is all bull. When we consolidate, anything above 165.15 maintains higher lows, keeps those bulls in full control. QQQ all-time high today. Bearish reversal doji. If we break 185.79 tomorrow, we look for healthy consolidation. Anything above 180, 179.75 is a higher low. Bulls in absolute control. Healthy consolidation would be just fine. Weekly time frame. Anything above 178.12 is a higher low. Blue sky breakout. No biggie whatsoever. VIX bulls showed up today. Good for them. We got our daily higher low as we were anticipating. Nice clear bull break, 1248, 1250, 1255. Clearly through all those levels. And we are looking for a lower high now compared to 1686. I like this pattern heading into September because it's a nice equilibrium, and I like equilibriums. Low, high, higher low, scouting the lower high, and the range will likely see a break in mid-September unless things get wild. Weekly time frame for VIX. There's our range, higher low established, watching for the lower high, and at this point, anything above, well actually, a loss of the hourly higher low pattern would be an indication that our daily lower high has been set. XLF financial sector, we're watching the daily higher low pattern here as well. We've been consolidating for 3 days already. Anything above 28.10 maintains the daily higher lows. In my opinion, with how this is currently setting up, it'll be the financial sector that is going to break the uptrend for the S&P 500 if it loses its own uptrend. Obviously, the tech sector is not close to doing so, coming off that all-time high, hasn't even really started the consolidation. XLF is day 3 into this consolidation. So let's see if the bulls can hold the daily higher low pattern, because if they can't, we get weekly consolidation in which the bulls will look to form a higher low compared to 27.61. So overall, everything's still just fine for the bulls. We know we have a little bit of a short-term catalyst for consolidation. And again, unless the bears show up with significant volume, there are no red flags whatsoever in this market still, even with this midday reaction. Have a good night. We'll see you over the weekend.